So welcome to the demo of FlareGit. So this is basically a tool for developers to enhance their GitHub profile and make readmes for their repositories and even make their custom dynamic portfolio. So let's get started. That's how I'd like it better. So first of all, we have to sign in using GitHub since this is for developers. So GitHub is the place to go. We sign in with GitHub. And I already have GitHub signed in, so it automatically logged me in. So as you can see, it has the profile information where it has gotten your information from GitHub, and you can even set it for your extra information for your custom profile and portfolio that we will take a look at later. You can even generate your personal professional bio from here as well. So where is this information gonna be used, right? So the place it's gonna be used in is you can have a custom profile URL where this is gonna take you basically. So what I'm gonna do is basically just, as you can see, I have my username over here and it's loading and it's showing my custom portfolio with all my details, repositories, and bunch of other information over here. So this is an easy way to make a basic portfolio page for yourself. So let's move on to repositories. So here you can basically, as it says, you can make a README for your selected repository. So I'm going to select a repository. So let's go with depth destroyer. And as you can see, it's generating the README. All right, so it's done. Okay, so if we go now, we can make changes if we want over here as well. And if I click on preview, it's showing me the README, enhanced with all the information regarding my project structure and other details as well. You can even make better changes from here as well. So we can copy it, we can download it, or we can directly save it onto GitHub. So README has been updated on GitHub. So it has updated my basically my README, which I didn't have before. Um, so as you can see, it says update readme.md via FlareGit. So yeah, so that's how we can easily make readmes, generate readmes over here. So now let's move on to our profile readme. So this is basically the overall readme that we have, that we can have. So basically we can improve this with AI. If you don't have any, then you can just click on generate with AI and it's gonna generate. You can click on bold, minimal, and it's gonna improve with AI and it's gonna do that to your readme if you have one. And if you don't have one, it's still gonna do that. You can click on save FlareGit in order for it to save in a database, in our database, and it will have the information saved over there. And then we can even set it to GitHub. Okay, and we can copy, download, or even view on GitHub. Okay, so we can do all this over here. So let's move on to featured projects. All right, so this is for featured projects. You can search your project and add to featured, and it's gonna show featured on GitHub. So it's fairly simple. And for the analytics, it shows you how many stars you have, forks, total repositories, as well as contributions. And this is the contribution activity, not your profile activity for your personal repositories. I might add one later regarding your own uh, activities as well. So let's head over to the theme settings. So for the theme setting, we can set different colors and it's gonna update based on that. We can set it. It also has basically warning, accessibility warning, so that we can have proper repositories, and it basically has proper color and shows you properly. While we can select colors, we can even set different colors if we want. And we can just click on save theme and it's gonna save and update our custom profile that we saw at the beginning of the video. So that's it for FlareGit. It's an awesome tool. It's a working MVP. So thank you guys for watching. That's it for the demo.